Good morning and welcome to all my dear students. Today's subject is GK and we are going to learn about our country and state. So our today's GK topic is our country and state. Now children, do you know in which country we all live? We live in India. We live in which country? India. And India is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. इंडिया को भारत और हिंदुस्तान ये नाम से भी जाना जाता है. स्पेलिंग ऑफ इंडिया इज INDIA, इंडिया. Our country India got freedom on 15 अगस्त 1947. हमारी कंट्री इंडिया को ब्रिटिशर से फ्रीडम मिला था 15 अगस्त 1947 में. एंड फ्रॉम दैट टाइम ऑनवर्ड्स वी सेलिब्रेट 15 अगस्त एज इंडिपेंडेंस डे. In India, there are 28 states and 9 union territories. Now children, in this map you can see the different color. Yes, that different colors shows us the different states. So altogether in our country India there are 28 states and 9 union territory. And you can see this color part is land and उसके बाद जो नीचे ब्लू कलर में है वो है water, that means rivers and ocean. So there are many river, ocean which connect with our country, and there are highest mountain peak and forest in our country. Capital of India is Delhi. दिल्ली इंडिया का कैपिटल है. ताजमहल, इंडिया गेट, all these places are in Delhi. Now, who was the first Prime Minister of India? The first Prime Minister of India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was also known as Chacha Nehru. Students, you know we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. Yes, we celebrate it on the birth anniversary of Chacha Nehru. That means Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children, can you tell me the name of a person you can see in this picture? Yes, he is Shri Narendra Modi. And Shri Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India at present. So children, who is Prime Minister of our country at present? Yes, Shri Narendra Modi. Let's learn about the state. Children, do you know in which state we live? We live in Maharashtra. So say children, the name of our state is Maharashtra. And the city in which we live is Mumbai. We live in Mumbai city. And the Mumbai city, the Mumbai district is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai district Maharashtra की capital है. And who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Shri Uddhav Thackeray. Shri Uddhav Thackeray is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Today we have learnt about our country. Our country name is India. Capital of India is Delhi. In our country, how many states are there? 28 states and 9 union territory. First Prime Minister of our country was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And at present, who is Prime Minister of our country? Shri Narendra Modi. Name of the state where we live is Maharashtra. And the capital of our state Maharashtra is Mumbai. And children, we all live in Mumbai. Chief Minister of our country is Shri Uddhav Thackeray. Children, you have to remember all these names. Thank you. Bye.